Do you struggle with depression, low mood, or sleepless nights? What if there was a medicine that helps improve mood without causing weight gain or sexual side effects? Today, we'll talk about Agomelatine 25 milligrams, a unique antidepressant that works differently from most others. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll explain Agomelatine 25 milligrams tablet uses, how it works, its benefits, side effects, dosage, and important precautions, in simple language so you can understand it clearly. What is Agomelatine? Agomelatine is an antidepressant medicine mainly used to treat major depressive disorder in adults. Unlike common antidepressants, it works on the brain's melatonin receptors, which help regulate your sleep-wake cycle, mood, and biological clock. Because of this unique action, Agomelatine not only improves mood, but also helps restore healthy sleep patterns. Uses of Agomelatine 25 milligrams. Agomelatine 25 milligrams tablet is commonly used for major depressive disorder, depression with sleep disturbance, low mood with fatigue and anxiety symptoms, depression where other antidepressants caused side effects. It is especially helpful for patients who have insomnia along with depression. How does Agomelatine work? Agomelatine works by stimulating melatonin receptors MT1 and MT2 and blocking serotonin receptors called 5-HT2C. This helps rebalance brain chemicals like dopamine and norepinephrine, improving mood, motivation, and sleep without causing emotional numbness. Dosage and how to take. The usual dose is 25 milligrams once daily at bedtime. In some cases, doctors may increase it to 50 milligrams if needed. Always take Agomelatine exactly as prescribed. Do not stop it suddenly without consulting your common side effects. Most people tolerate Agomelatine well, but possible side effects include headache, dizziness, nausea, fatigue, sleepiness. Serious side effects are rare but may involve liver problems, which is why regular liver function tests are important. Important warnings and precautions. Agomelatine should not be used if you have active liver disease. Avoid alcohol while taking this medicine, as it increases the risk of liver damage. Always inform your doctor if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking other medications. Advantages of Agomelatine. One major advantage of Agomelatine is that it usually does not cause weight gain, sexual dysfunction, or dependency, which are common with many antidepressants. Agomelatine 25 milligrams is a modern antidepressant that helps improve mood and sleep naturally when used correctly. However, never self-medicate. Always consult a qualified doctor before starting or stopping any antidepressant. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more trusted medical information. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace medical advice. Always consult your doctor before using any medication. Thanks for watching.